climate. Climate is the fourth chapter, and this is important for the term 2. So, we will discuss in detail about the climate. Before detailing climate, I would like to tell you one very important thing, that if you learn by making a man map of any chapter, then it will help you to recall everything very easily. That's why I made a man map, or we can say it is a mind map, or the entire subheadings of the chapter that I have given first. The first part is definitions, that important definitions are there. Second is climatic control. What are the factors that controls the climate of a place? Next one is factors affecting India's climate. It means the important factors that controls the climate of India only. The next point is the mechanism of the monsoon, means what are the facts that help to the onset of the monsoon. Now, the onset of the monsoon and withdrawal. Here we will read about the onset of the monsoon, means how it occurs and how it backs, withdraws. The next point is the seasons. Here we will read, as we know that three important seasons are there in our country, that is winter, summer, and rainy seasons. But in geography, we are going to read the four seasons, that is the winter season, the summer season, the advancing monsoon or the rainy season, and the retreating of the monsoon. Finally, we will read about the monsoon as a unifying bond. Means monsoon unify the entire country with several ways, the way that we will read in this chapter. So, first we will see the important definitions. In important definition, climate is there. Climate refers to the sum total of weather condition and variations over a large area for a long periods of time. And the long period is more than 30 years. The next definition is of weather. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time. The next important fact is the elements. As we know that the weather and climate both have the same elements that we are going to write over here. The elements of weather and climate are same, that is temperature, precipitation, atmospheric pressure, wind and humidity. Let us see the first important point, that is climatic controls. Six major controls of the climate of any place are latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean current, and relief features. Let us discuss every facts in detail. Now, the latitude. First of all, we should know about the latitude, that what it is. It is a line which is drawn from west to east in the on the globe. Now, due to the shape of the earth, as we go away from the equator towards north and south pole, the amount of solar energy received decreases. The next important point is altitude. Altitude means a height. It's known to us, as we go high, the temperature decreases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius after each 165 meter. So, what is given in the book that I tried to give you, that altitude, as one goes to a higher altitude, the atmosphere becomes less dense and temperature decreases, means at the height, pressure and temperature both decreases. The next important point is pressure and wind system. The pressure and wind system is already given in my previous video, but some important point that I'm going to give you now, you can see that video also. The pressure and wind system of any area depends on the latitude and altitude of a place. Thus, it influences the temperature and rainfall pattern. The next important point is distance from the sea. It is known to us if we are near to the sea, as sea is coastal area is totally influenced by the ocean current flowing across it. If it is warm, then the coastal area enjoying the warm or the cold according to its current. The area situated away from the sea, the people experiences continental. Continental is a type of climate under which the it becomes very hot during summer and very cold during winter. That's why I have given under the bracket that is very hot during summer and very cold during winter type of climate. The next important point is ocean current. It influences the coast with onshore winds as any coastal area with warm or cold current flowing past it will be warmed or cooled the coast. And finally, relief feature. It plays a major role in determining the climate of any place. High mountains act as barriers for hot and cold winds. They may also cause precipitation if they are high enough and lie in the path of rain bearing winds. The leeward side of mountains remains relatively dry. So, here I am going to wind it up. The next part we will read in the next video. So, thank you.